All content marketing strategy videos suck because they focus on what platforms you need to publish and what time you need to publish. They focus on how often you should publish. But I believe those things are irrelevant because if your content is not good, people won't engage with it regardless of how many platforms you use. This video will be about creating good content that people want to consume regardless of the platform you use. When I started publishing my content on YouTube, I discovered that content marketing is difficult because there is too much competition. On top of that, getting people's attention is not easy. Regardless of the platforms you choose to use for your content marketing strategy, you compete with people who've been doing this for years and they're masters at making videos, writing articles, and creating podcasts. Creating good content takes time and in the beginning brings little to no results. So the only way to win in content marketing is to create content consistently that's authentic to your brand. Let me explain. When I started my YouTube channel 1 year ago, it was extremely difficult. It was very difficult for me to create these videos. The experience of talking in front of a camera frightened me, so I decided to copy other people. They say do what already works, right? And I would go on YouTube and say, this video has a lot of views, I should probably make the same video for my channel. And I experimented with different subject lines and I tried to talk to the camera like some of my favorite content creators and YouTubers. But every time I did it, I felt weird in front of the camera and my videos did not get much attention. 1 year later, when I opened my YouTube analytics, I realized that the video that generated the most views were not inspired by copying other people. I really wanted to make these videos because I knew that they'll help somebody out, and in this video I put the most effort, and a year later the videos I really wanted to make got me the most views. I wasn't trying to copy anybody, I just wanted to make the videos, and people also seemed to like that. At this time I was a little bit camera shy and I came across a little awkward. Probably I still do, honestly, but that's fine because I am myself. And I realized that good content is all about being yourself, finding your own voice and sharing your own stories with others on the internet. In the beginning, I saw content marketing as a way to promote my business on the internet. I saw it as a grind, something you do daily to make more money. But I was very wrong about content marketing. Creating good content is about expressing yourself, sharing your unique voice, sharing your deep personal stories. The more videos I make, the more I see content marketing as art, as a way to express myself. Good content is about being yourself on the internet in a written or spoken word. When you do content marketing, you're an artist. I'm a hip-hop fan and some of my favorite rappers create their songs in a different ways. For example, Key Glock freestyles all his songs. That means he goes to the studio completely unprepared and he makes the song on the spot after the recording session has started. On the other hand, Eminem writes rhymes all the time and whenever he goes to the studio, he is extremely prepared. Those artists are both successful, but they have completely different styles of making music. The same goes for content creation. Some YouTubers create their videos on the spot. For example, Casey from Camera Conspiracy and Vegetable Police is like freestyle rapper. He creates content on the spot. He is extremely fun and easygoing in his videos. But on the other hand, many YouTubers write scripts and carefully measure every word they use. I know that if I wanted to create good content, I needed to find my style of creating. And here, I'm going to give you my tips for creating good content. The first tip to create good content is to be yourself and create the content you want. Sometimes what I want to create is not within my niche, so I try to stick to my niche, but this might be different for you. For example, for this video today, I knew that many people wanted to watch a video about content marketing strategy. Still, I didn't want to talk about where to publish and when to publish your content. I just didn't feel like it would have a good impact. But I really wanted to talk about creating authentic content, and that's the video you're watching today. It's called All Content Marketing Strategy Videos Suck, Not This One. The content I try creating always fits my brand somehow. My second tip would be to find your creative style and your own unique voice. This is easier said than done. I have done around 200 videos on YouTube. I still do not think I have found my creative style and my unique voice. This process will take much longer. The way it works now, I publish 2 long videos on YouTube and 6 YouTube shorts per week at least. I script my videos and I read my videos out of a teleprompter. My end goal is to create content that is intellectually engaging and easy to understand. I want to simplify digital marketing and make it easier to understand for people of all ages, because I think some of those marketing videos are way too technical and they won't make any difference. I'm heavily investing in finding my own unique voice and creative style. And this brings me to my third tip for creating good content. That's volume and consistency. I realized that the more content I create, the better I become at creating. The more content I put out there, the faster I'll find my voice. I made a comparison of how good content should be, like art. And a lot of people would get this wrong, because if you create art, you need inspiration or motivation to start creating. But what any good content marketing strategy has in common is consistency. Some of the videos I made start getting views 8 months later after I published them. So you never know. Create as much content as possible and commit to publishing your content regularly. For you, that could be once per month, once per week, or 4 times every day. But the way I see it, content creation is a journey, a process. The more you do it, the better you become. And to stress the importance of volume and consistency in content marketing, I'm going to give you this example. Let's say that you and me have the same athletic abilities. We weigh the same, we're exactly the same in size. Let's say that in 1 year from now, we'll do an MMA fight, kind of like UFC. You train 12 times for the whole year, but I'll work out pretty much every day. Who do you think will win the fight? I don't think you even stand a slight chance of winning. It's the same with content marketing. The more you do it, the better you become. Now, if you're an online business and you want to generate more sales, please check out my YouTube ads case study, where I'll show you how I generate 22K per month with YouTube ads for a product that was banned on Facebook. My name is Nico. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.